Are you tired of struggling to find things in your dimly lit kitchen cabinets? Or perhaps you're looking to add a touch of elegance and functionality to your workspace. Under-cabinet lighting can be the perfect solution, offering both practicality and style. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one for your needs? Today, we're diving into the world of under-cabinet lighting, exploring 7 top-rated products that promise to illuminate your space beautifully. From wireless LED puck lights to smart light strips, we've got something for everyone. Let's shed some light on the best under-cabinet lighting options out there. 7. GE Wireless LED Puck Lights. The GE Wireless LED Puck Lights are a versatile and convenient option for those looking to add some extra lighting without the hassle of wiring. These battery-operated lights are perfect for illuminating dark corners in your kitchen, closet, or any other space that could use a little extra brightness. One of the standout features of these puck lights is their ease of installation. With adhesive backing and mounting screws included, you can have them up and running in no time. This makes them an ideal choice for renters or anyone who prefers not to deal with complicated installations. In terms of functionality, the GE Wireless LED puck lights offer a simple tap-on/off operation, making them incredibly user-friendly. The lights provide a soft white glow that is bright enough to enhance visibility without being harsh on the eyes. These lights are also energy efficient, with each set of batteries lasting up to 50 hours. This means you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, saving you both time and money in the long run. Overall, the GE Wireless LED puck lights are a great option for anyone seeking a straightforward and effective lighting solution. Their portability and ease of use make them a popular choice among homeowners looking to brighten up their spaces effortlessly. 6. WOBANE Under-Cabinet Lighting Kit. Next on our list is the WOBANE Under-Cabinet Lighting Kit, which offers an excellent combination of brightness and customization. This kit includes LED strip lights that can be easily installed under cabinets or shelves, providing ample illumination for your workspace. The WOBANE kit stands out due to its dimmable feature, allowing you to adjust the brightness according to your needs. Whether you're preparing food or setting a cozy ambience for dinner, this flexibility ensures you have the perfect lighting at all times. Installation is a breeze with this kit, thanks to its adhesive backing and plug-and-play design. You won't need any special tools or expertise to get these lights up and running, making it a hassle-free addition to any home. Another notable feature is the energy efficiency of these LED strips. They consume minimal power while delivering bright and even light distribution, making them an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In summary, the WOBANE Under-Cabinet Lighting Kit is an excellent choice for those who value customization and energy efficiency. Its ease of installation and adjustable brightness make it a versatile option for various settings. 5. Maylit Under-Cabinet Lights. The Maylit under-cabinet lights offer an innovative approach to under-cabinet lighting with their smart features and vibrant color options. These lights are perfect for those who want more than just functional lighting, they want an experience. One of the most exciting features of the Maylit lights is their compatibility with smart home systems. You can control these lights using an app on your smartphone or through voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. This level of convenience is perfect for tech-savvy users who love integrating smart devices into their homes. In addition to smart control, these lights offer a range of colors that can be adjusted according to your mood or occasion. Whether you're hosting a party or relaxing after a long day, you can easily change the ambience with just a few taps on your phone. The Maylit under-cabinet lights are also easy to install, featuring adhesive backing that allows you to place them wherever you need extra illumination. Plus, they come with connectors that let you customize the length and layout of your lighting setup. Overall, these lights are ideal for anyone looking to add a splash of color and modern technology to their home lighting system. The combination of smart features and vibrant colors makes them a standout choice in under-cabinet lighting solutions. 4. BLST01L LED Closet Light. The BLST01L LED Closet Light is designed specifically for spaces like closets and cabinets where motion-activated lighting is particularly useful. This product offers hands-free convenience by automatically turning on when it detects motion within 10 feet. One of the key benefits of this light is its motion sensor technology, which helps conserve battery life by only activating when needed. This makes it an efficient choice for those who want reliable lighting without constant manual operation. Installation is straightforward with this light as well. It comes with magnetic strips that allow you to mount it easily without any tools. This feature makes it portable too. Simply detach it from its mount when you need portable lighting elsewhere. The BLST01L provides bright illumination with its 20 LEDs, ensuring that even large closets are well lit. The light's design also ensures even distribution without casting harsh shadows or glares. In conclusion, if you're seeking a motion-activated solution that's easy to install and provides excellent coverage in dark spaces like closets or cabinets, the BLST01L LED closet light is an outstanding option worth considering. 3. LEPOTEC 30 LED Motion Sensor Cabinet Light. For those who prioritize both brightness and efficiency in their under-cabinet lighting choices, the LEPOTEC 30 LED Motion Sensor Cabinet Light ticks all boxes effortlessly. With its sleek design and powerful LEDs, it's perfect for illuminating larger areas effectively. This light features advanced motion detection capabilities similar to our previous entry, but offers enhanced brightness due to its 30 LED configuration, ideal if maximum visibility is what you're after. Installation remains simple thanks again largely due magnetic backings, which allow quick placement onto metal surfaces while still offering flexibility should repositioning become necessary later down line, e.g., moving house. Additionally, rechargeable battery ensures longevity between charges, further reducing maintenance demands over time compared other models reliant upon disposable batteries alone. Great news, budget-conscious buyers. Ultimately, LEPOTEC delivers robust performance coupled intuitive usability, making great addition any household requiring dependable yet unobtrusive source supplemental illumination wherever needed most urgently. 2. Brilliant Evolution Tap Light Push Lights. Coming in at number 2 on our list are Brilliant Evolution Tap Light Push Lights, a classic favorite among homeowners seeking simplicity combined reliability above all else when choosing new fixtures around house today. These push-operated units offer straightforward functionality, simply tap, center, activate, deactivate whenever desired, a feature appreciated especially those unfamiliar complex systems requiring additional training before use begins properly, e.g., elderly family members. Despite basic nature, however, don't underestimate power behind these compact devices. Each emits impressive amount lumens capable transforming previously dimly lit environments into welcoming spaces filled warmth, comfort instantly upon activation alone. Moreover, installation couldn't easier either. Included adhesive pad screws mean anyone regardless technical skill level able install quickly efficiently without fuss whatsoever, ensuring satisfaction guaranteed every purchase made thereafter. 2. In essence, Brilliant Evolution represents timeless solution anyone desiring no-nonsense approach achieving optimal results, minimal effort possible. Truly deserving spot near top rankings today's competitive market indeed. 1. Philips Hue Lightstrip Starter Kit. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Starter Kit is a top-tier choice for those seeking a sophisticated and versatile lighting solution. This kit is part of the renowned Philips Hue ecosystem, known for its smart home integration and extensive customization options. Let's explore why this product stands out as the best under-cabinet lighting option. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Starter Kit includes an 80-inch coated light strip, a Hue bridge, and connection cords. The light strip itself is highly flexible, allowing it to be placed in various locations such as under cabinets, around furniture, or even behind entertainment systems to create ambient lighting effects. The strip can be cut to size, making it adaptable to different spaces and needs. One of the most impressive features of the Philips Hue Lightstrip is its ability to display over 16 million colors. This vast color palette allows users to customize their lighting to suit any mood or occasion. Whether you want a warm glow for a cozy evening or vibrant colors for a party atmosphere, the Philips Hue Lightstrip can deliver. The Philips Hue system is designed with smart home enthusiasts in mind. The Hue Bridge acts as the central hub, connecting your lights to your home network and enabling control through the Philips Hue app. This integration allows for seamless operation with popular smart assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri. With the app, users can set schedules, automate lighting based on time of day or activity, and even control lights remotely. This feature is particularly useful for enhancing home security by simulating presence when you're away. There you have it, folks, our top 7 under cabinet lighting. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.